Hey everybody, I'm Chris at Wolfe Ridge Manufacturing. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody for tagging along, subscribing to our channel. It's awesome the amount of followers we have and the feedback we get on our videos. I really want to thank everybody for watching. And today I'm going to show you the perfect complement for your Wolfe Ridge or any other brand splitter. Give you a way to make some extra cash in your roadside stand and offer a great product that is really big in the summertime. Even in the wintertime, year round, we sell a lot of bundles. I believe last year, we're not close to any campgrounds or anything like that, but we sold about 600 bundles out of our roadside stand here at the shop last year. So huge extra income added bonus for you. And this station here is going to make it nice and easy, and might even be fun to make some bundles with this baby. I'm going to show you some footage I took last week before this baby was painted. We will be powder coating all these in gunmetal gray as shown here, and our first batch of 40 sets will be done the first week of May and be shipping out the first week of May. Everything will be shipped in one box via FedEx ground. There's 5 bolts to install when you get it. So really easy assembly and nice and heavy duty unit you can carry around. It's about 66 pounds total weight. We had customers ask for a hoop or a way to move it around with the pallet forks. I don't really think that's necessary. You can actually just pick this up and carry it. Not too bad. So, and if you did want to move it around, you could mount it right to a pallet and move it around with skid steer around the yard if you wanted to do that. So anyways, let's show you that footage. And of course, we'll have a link up above here for the web page where you can order one of these babies. Again, this will be coming out. The first shipments will be going out first week of May, last week of April, somewhere in there, 2023. And all the pricing and current lead times for all of our products are always on our website at wolferidgemfg.com. Hang tight, I'll show you that footage from before, and let me know what you guys think in the comments, all right? All right, guys, well, what do you think? I think this thing works awesome. We worked on this for quite a while, getting it all dialed in, and I believe we've got one of the best bagging stations on the market, and it's under $1,000. It's under 600 bucks. Can you imagine that? Having a great product that's going to help you make more money more efficiently, and it's less than $1,000 these days. I mean, a Big Mac costs you like $7 now, just for the sandwich, not even combo. So keep that in mind. Check out the link above, and we'll also have the link in the description. And for a limited time, this bagging station is going to come with 100 of these red Firewood bags in the 22 by 24 inch size. So it's a one size fits all. You could do 1 1/4 cubic foot bundles. This station will come with a 1 cubic foot bucket. That's the most common size. We also offer a 1 1/4 and a 3/4 cubic foot size for your bundle bags. The 3/4 cubic foot, you could get away with a 18 by 20 bag. The 1 cubic foot, you could get away with a 20 by 24 bag. And the 1 1/4 cubic foot, you'd want to have the 22 by 24s. And that's what we'll include, so that it's one size fits all. So get you started out, make some extra cash. Actually, the way these bundles sell, you pretty much get your money back. If you're not including the cost of the wood and the processing, you'd end up making your money back probably on your first 100 bags. So check it out, links above. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.